Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my weekly expense video for my expenses ending December the 15th, 2023. So if you want to see how I spend my money and pay back all my credit card spending, please stay tuned. Always be with you. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, from the 8th to the 15th, I did not do a lot of spending. But I'm showing that I had a purchase on my Apple Card on the 14th for household, and I don't have the amount. So I'm going to quickly, before I do anything, I don't have access to that card anymore. I need to figure out what that spending was. So, you guys, I have no idea what that was. I don't. But in the meantime, let me start by. So the first thing, if you're new to my channel, I am a budgeter, a cash stuffer. I am a cash spender, but I'm also a credit card spender. The reason why I spend on my credit card is because I use my credit to leverage. I leverage my credit to make me more money. And when I say make more money, I leverage my credit to earn cashback rewards from all of my spending. So if you're new to my channel and you don't understand what that means, I get cashback rewards using multiple or various credit cards on my different spending categories, and I get that back. So just for instance, my American Express Blue Cash Preferred, I get 6% back on all groceries. 6%. So that is the highest cashback reward amount that I do receive in the category of groceries. So whenever I have to spend at any markets, food place, grocery stores, I use my American Express Blue Cash Preferred because I get 6% back. And again, when I do my cash stuffing, you'll see my credit cashback rewards amount. Right now, I believe it's like $1,400 for the year. So what does that mean? No, I'm not spending extra money just to get my cashback rewards. I am only spending what I would normally spend, and I'm using my credit to get the cashback rewards. So for the year of 2023, from January to November, my current cashback reward amount is close to $1,400. So I haven't deposited December's cashback reward because December isn't over yet. At the end of the month, I'm going to pull all my cashback rewards from my various credit cards, and I'm going to deposit that money into that envelope, and you guys will see that. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is list my categories. And anything in green was an all cash spend, so it's no need to pay a credit card back for that. Okay. So the first category is house clean. Well, no. House clean is going to go in blue because, house clean. And that's the cleaning service. And I spent $120 in cash, so there's no need to pay that back. That wasn't a credit card. That actually came out of my bill account. And then we have my HSA, which is considered a cash spend. I do not pay that back as well. So, and that was at CVS, and that was for $33.87. And I write that in green. That signifies to me that I don't need to pay back that spending. Okay, so now household is the next category. I'm going to write that in blue because that is a credit card spend. And I list all cash spending in the actual column, and in the budgeted column of my payday budget book, my monthly expense tracker, I list all credit card spending or anything I need to pay back in the budgeted column. So household, let me move these to the side, and let's total up my spending for household. $83.53, and I spent something else, you guys, and I cannot figure it out. I can't figure it out, and I don't have, let me see if I have the receipt, because I do keep my receipts out for the week. So, and it says, no, that was last week. Oh, wait, I think I may have it. That says the 14th. Oh, I know what it was. Yes, I do. I have the receipt right here. So what I purchased, that was $86.49. And you guys, I bought a acrylic C table. So it's one of those tables that looks like, it's like a square C kind of sort of, and it slides up under the couch. It's like an end table, but you know, it could act as a tray or things like that. So I wanted one of those. I was on the hunt. I found it in Home Goods. And so that was $86.49. So household is $83.53 plus $86.49 equals. So out of my household envelope, I need to pay $170.02. Gas was $50. Food. Okay. So in food, I only spent $123.96 in food. So I'm under budget because I believe I budgeted for $200 for food, but it looks like I went over dining out. So let's count dining out. Okay. So dining out is $22.83 plus $125.88 equals, and that is $148.71. And me and my children went out to eat. It was very impromptu, very unexpected, wasn't planned. So I did go over budget in dining out because my budgeted amount was $50. I do know that. So in me money, I spent $23.08. Okay, so let me total up all of my spending for the week. And listen, my spending this week was not bad, believe it or not. So 120 plus 33.87 plus 83.53 plus 50 plus 123.96 plus 23.08 plus 22.83 plus 125.88 plus 86.49 equals. So my total spending for the week was $669.64. Okay, my total cash spending was, and I'm going to write that in green, $153.87. So if I minus 153.87 equals, so my total credit card spend should be $515.77. And I could quickly add this up, 23.08 plus 170.02 plus 50 plus 123.96 plus 148.71 equals 515.17. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my red pen, and now I'm going to take and pay back all of the spending in blue. So first things first, let me go to my household envelope, and this is my Prue binder, which I keep my house sinking fund. So household, let's see. So in household, I need $170. So I have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 225, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237. So I need $170. And that's going to leave me with 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So that's going to leave me with $67. And that was minus 170. Okay. And that just means I have to build back up my household. But this is what my household sinking fund is. When I buy anything related to the home, then it's not for repairs. I have a home maintenance. So I'm going to take and put the money there. I'll put the money right here. Okay, so I am going to put a minus 170, and that lets me know I took $170 from that sinking fund. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to my wallet, and this is my Caramel Zippy wallet. And so let's move this over. So let me just make room so I can get my wallet in there, but keep my book in view. Okay. So I'll put the money here. Okay, so me money is $23.08. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 156, 157, 158. So I need $23. Okay, so I'm taking 23 from me money. And I'm going to write minus 23. And that's going to leave me with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 135. And me money. And that's just me money I could spend on anything. Dining out, I need $148.71, but I only had $50. So I'm going to minus 50 from dining out. Car maintenance, I didn't spend anything. Gas, I need $50. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have $204 and I need 50. So I'm going to take 50 from gas. And I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 51, 52, 53, 54, 154. Now, gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance in this envelope because it usually takes about $100 to fill up my tank. I went to the gas station. I couldn't pay at the pump. I went inside, and he only gave me a max limit of $50 in gas. I'm like, I need more than $50. He's like, well, you got to come back and do it again. I said, hell no, I'm not. Like, you just lost a customer, so no, I'm not coming back and doing it again. So anyway, food, $123.96. So that's 124. I have 50, 100, 150, 200. So I'm under budget for food. So I need 124. And let me get my math. So 200 minus 124 equals $76. I need 50, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. So, okay, so I'm just going to do 80. Nope. Hold on. Let me get change for a 10. Let me see if I can get change for a 10 before I do anything, because I need exact change. So let's see. Yes. 2 5s. I'm going to take the 10, put it back in home maintenance, and put the 2 5s over there. Okay. You guys. And I have been battling with customs to release one of my shipments, which they partially released. Well, they did, but I mean, they released it as far as paperwork. I have not got my shipment of mini zippy wallets in this color caramel. I thank everyone for their patience, but these wallets are coming. So I need $76. Now let's go. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76. Why did I do that? That's dumb. Wait, what? Oh my goodness, you guys. I only need to give 100. 100. No. Listen, just take all of it and give me $76 back. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76. Okay. I did too much, but don't worry about it. Household. Oh, no. I had $60 in household. So technically, I'm going to put this money back into my household sinking fund. You guys, it did not dawn on me that I had household money. So I'm going to put this back because I should have pulled from my wallet first. So I'm going to put the $60 back into my household sinking fund. So plus 60, and that's going to be 127. And I'm just going to count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 115, 120, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I didn't even realize that I had $60 in my wallet. So, okay. So I'll put that back in there. Sorry. All right. So household is taken care of. Let's see what else. Oh. So that's it. I've covered all of my, no, food. I did 124 minus 124. So now I need the difference of about $100. So 148.71 minus 50 equals $98. So I need $99. So I'm going to take miscellaneous, number 1. So I'm going to do miscellaneous in red because I'm taking from that envelope. And let's see. I can take 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, no, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76. I can take the other 76 from food. So minus 10 minus 76 equals, so I need $13 more. So I am going to get $13 from me money. So I'm going to take 15 from me money and take $2 back from here. So 1, hopefully I got another 1, 2. Okay. So I'm going to put the 13 from me money. And now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 21, 22. So I have $122 in me money. So I literally covered all of my spending back from my card. So I should have $515 or $16. So now let's count this money and see what I have. So 5, 10, 5, 10, 20, 10, 50, 5, 20, put the 1, the 20, the 50. So let's grab all of this. And this money will go back to the bank, and I will pay it on my credit cards. And I usually will go and list my credit cards here. So that's Apple and Amex Blue Cash Preferred, Target, Chase Freedom, because I get 3% back on dining out. So these 4 cards, I need to pay this $500 back to. All right, so let's see what we have. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 15, 16. $516. Yep. So that's what I have, and that's going to go back onto my credit card. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say how much needs to go back on each card. So Apple is $83.53 plus 50 plus $86.49 equals. So that's $220.02 that's going to Apple. My Amex Blue Cash Preferred is $123.96. Target is $23.08. And Chase Freedom is $22.83 plus $125.88 equals $148.71. So I'm going to make 4 payments to these 4 credit cards in these amounts, and that is the total of $516. That is how I manage my money and pay back all of my credit card spending on a weekly basis. And that's how I stay on top of my spending. You know, you can do it bi-weekly. You can do it daily if you want. That would be a lot for me to do that daily. But this just allows me to keep track of what I spend, and then it's a little bit more organized for me. So what I will do is I will go here and write the amounts to let me know that I paid these back. So 124, 23, 23, 126, and 86. And there you have it. That is all of my spending for the week. Not bad, not bad. And I did have a couple no spend days. I had the 13th and the 15th as a no spend day. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my cash stuffing. Bye.